Parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting graphs. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are parallel lines? 2. What condition must two lines meet to be parallel? 3. What happens if two lines have the same coefficient and constant? 4. How do we find the equation of a line that is parallel to another known line? What other information do we need to know? 5. What are perpendicular lines? 6. What is the relationship between gradients in perpendicular lines? 7. How do we find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to another known line? 8. How do we find the intercept of two perpendicular lines? 9. What are intersecting lines? When our two lines are intersecting? 10. How do we find the common point of two intersecting lines? 11. How do we find the distance between two parallel lines? Introduction. What does the gradient of a line indicate? What do you understand by the terms parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting? What can you say about the direction of two parallel lines? What can you say about the coordinates of two lines at their intercept point? In this tutorial, we will explain the relationship between lines when they are parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting. All situations are illustrated with examples. That is all for introduction to parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting graphs. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 14.4.1, Parallel Lines. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.